Hi guys, it's Shanice. So I have some Happy Meal to share that I got a while ago, and I have to apologize. I'm so sorry, Francine, Coleman. It's life has just been really crazy for me. I barely had time to make any videos, but I'm so sorry. I should have done this a lot sooner, but I'm so happy, and it made me so happy when I received your little package of Happy Meal. So thank you so much, and I love the stamp. It's totally cute. So I'm going to show you guys what she sent to me. She did send me a note, so I probably won't read that on camera, but just lots of cute little goodies. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. So I'm going to go ahead and I will read the note really quick. You have beautiful handwriting. Oh, you're so sweet, and thank you so much. Your words really touch me, and I'm so glad that this channel has inspired you and that it has helped you a lot. That's what I'm here for, and your art is beautiful, no matter what I say. Oh my gosh, so look at these are adorable, these little photos. They're adorable. You can use them on ATCs. Look at them. They're so cute. We're on an art journal page. Those are adorable. And then I love this. There's another one too. Isn't that cute? Oh, these are going to be fun to use. And then life is better with friends. That is very true. That is totally cute. And then look at these beautiful ATCs. I love them. Beautiful colors. Oh wow. I love the texture, beautiful texture, and it says love. Very nice. Oops, looks like I have a couple stuck together there. Beautiful. Oh, purpose in life, isn't that the truth? Very nice. This is nice. In every moment, you should be what you ought to be. That is so beautiful. Beautiful. Well, thank you so much, and again, I am so sorry for the delay, but these are definitely going to go in my ATC book, and maybe I'll incorporate them in some art. I really love all the texture you have and the color. It's so pretty. I always tell my students that I get so inspired by their artwork, so thank you so much. I love to receive artwork. It means so much to me, and I will treasure these for a really long time. And thank you so much for your very kind and loving words. It totally made my day. And again, I'm so sorry for the delay. I'm going to get on the ball and get it together and make sure that I open your beautiful Happy Meal a lot sooner. So I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Francine, for this beautiful Happy Meal, which was a lovely surprise. And I will see you guys later. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.